Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first you have to go on the Play Store on the both devices. So let's start from this Android. And we have to get the application to transfer data. So let's type here clone it. And you have to get this application on the both smartphones. So let's get it. Do the same on your Motorola. Right now we can open on the Android phone. Accept all of the permissions that pops on your screen on the both smartphones. Click sender on Android phone, tap set, turn on location with the switcher, then just go back, click sender one more time. On Motorola click receiver and tap search again. Right now, if you got here the Android share icon, you have to tap on it. Oh, here it is, so let's get it. And we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code because it's a really fast method. And right now I'm gonna put back the phone. And just accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons. And then just click start. Here you got the size of the selected files and also estimated time. But I don't want to wait that much, so I'm going to unselect other stuff and I'm going for the details below. And I'm going to show you the example of the sending data on the songs. So I will unselect all songs and I'll take this two from the Post Malone. If you select click start, OK. And as you can see, the transfer is finished. So right now we can just simply go for our files manager. Here it is. And it will be probably in the downloaded files. And as you can see, here we got the two songs that we sent from the Android phone to our Motorola. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.